So right, welcome traders, welcome back to the stream. And yep, it's another episode of Monday Technical Analysis Forex Trading with Sai. Market just closed. So we've got the end of Monday's session, literally just closed right now. We're gonna start off with AED CAD like we do every week. So if you're in the Telegram group, I posted this trade setup in the Telegram group before I even start actually. Join the Telegram group. Literally in the Telegram group, I post all my trades. Every trade that I'm looking to get into, I post in the Telegram group. People, it is free. There is no charge. Just join the Telegram group. It is free. You get to see all the trades that I like to take. I'll post it all in there. So right. So obviously we're gonna start off with AED CAD, like I said before. Market was obviously rejecting off this resistant level, which is broken and is now holding as our support level. So we got broke even on this trade, break even on this trade, and yeah, the market it just didn't move at all. So I was expecting it to come back up to around this new this daily resistant level, but price didn't push that far up above. So let's look at it on a weekly time frame now. Actually, let's start on a monthly because the monthly candlestick just closed. Remember, it's non-farm payroll this week, so if you are trading this week, please be careful. Just look out for that as well. So you can see monthly candlestick. Wow, that closed as a spinning top. A spinning doji actually. That closed as a doji. So yeah, again, we could see price actually push up. Let's look at it on a weekly time frame. How did last week candlestick close? Alright. For me, AED CAD is still in a downtrend. But what we're going to get with price now, let's look on the daily. How did Monday close? Yeah. So right. So if price closed back below this support level, then I'll look for sell position on AED CAD. But at the moment, how it's going, let's get rid of this. How it's going, I'm going to get rid of this. This needs to go because this is definitely... So price is definitely playing about around 0.88 area, 100%. So with AED CAD, if price makes its way back down to that support level and we get some nice candlestick reversal pattern, then I'm going to look for a buy position on AED CAD. But if it breaks that support level, then I'm looking to take a sell trade and ride AED CAD down to this price level, which is probably around, it's only a 20 pip move, which is not even much if I'll be honest with you. It's not the big moves that I would like to, but I will ride it down to this support level, see if it breaks, then I'll probably hold it all the way down. Well, to get into this, it has to be a nice bearish breakout beyond that support level. So we could get a nice bearish breakout at the 0.88 level, then 10, 20, 30, 40. Could get probably a nice 40 pip move on AED CAD. But if we get a reversal pattern, then I will look to literally place a buy trade. I mean, literally can get, say, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60 pip move on AED CAD in it if you do place a buy position. So for me, I'm still in favour for this to go back up towards the upside, only because it's not breaking that support level, which is holding. Get rid of that trend line. Get rid of this trend line as well. So for AED CAD, yeah, we're just gonna, the price is just not breaking above either. Cool, so yeah, I would want AED CAD to come back down and test this support level before I even look at any buy position. So AED CAD is definitely a weight gain to see if price can pull back down to this 0.88126 area. Then we take it from there. So we've got two scenarios I'll just explain for you at AED CAD. So let's move on to UAD. Gutted. This was another trade that I posted on Friday as well. Just didn't get the move. Look, price came down. Even though we break even on UAD. Look, it actually made this move today. See? It's gutted, man. Alright, cool. So this trade played out, but fortunately, remember, join the Telegram group. I'll post this trade setup in the Telegram group. I'm actually going to screenshot and post this in the Telegram group as well. So look, this trade actually worked out. But we had news, and look, news spiked and took us out in break even, because I got on this on a 15-minute time frame. I got in from this candlestick here. Rid up. Oh, sorry, apologies. I actually got in from this hammer here. This dragonfly doji. And literally went like 20 pips in profit, and then news came out, spiked down, break even, took out stop losses, and then shot right back up. So that trade's already played out. So what's next for UAD? Just got it on a monthly time frame. Where can I see price going? Honestly, with UAD, I can actually see price coming. Yeah, I can see it making another 100 pip move. I can see it coming around the just under 1.69 area, literally around. Yeah, I can actually see price making it way up to that level, back up to those levels. Yeah. So you gotta remember when you're trading, especially on a monthly time frame, when you see these wicks, price is letting you know that it wants to get it actually wants to get to that price level. Like there's always a number price currency pairs that they want to get to. So when you see these wicks and it has about comes back down and has a reversal and starts to trend back up, price is more than likely, like 70% of the time, it's gonna come back and retest these areas again. So you can see UAD is looking to do that as well. So we look on a weekly time frame, price is trending up. I believe in the next few weeks, probably at the end of March, we might start testing these areas here. But at the moment, I feel like UAD is trending up. We haven't got a broker that trend line. Let me clean this up a bit so that people clean it up a bit, get rid of that. Yeah, so let's look at it on a daily. And look, that trend is so perfect. That is nice. I actually got that we missed out this trade, but just join the Telegram group. There'll be plenty more trade opportunities that I'll be posting in there. So we'll scroll on the 4 hours, get rid of that. Yeah, UAD, man. This has moved. This has happened. I'm actually upset. This move's happened already. Alright, so nothing new for UAD right now. That trade's finished. Yeah, nothing. I'm gonna update this on Wednesday. Don't forget, join. Subscribe to the YouTube channel. Join me on the YouTube channel as well. I also do a midweek update of trade setups that are happening in the Forex market on Wednesday. So I'll let you know what trades I'm in or what trades I'm gonna get into. Because I don't trade Mondays. If you saw last week's episode, is the reason why I don't trade Mondays. I always lose on Mondays. My trades all the time. So I just don't trade Monday. Majority of my losses are always on Monday. I'm just looking at you. Sorry, let me move on. Because I'm just looking at UAD. I'm actually upset. This trade played out so perfectly, man. See, even Sunday night, I could have got into this and rid this up. But the whole problem is I'm sticking to my rules. I just don't trade on Monday, Sunday. Sundays and Mondays, I don't trade. Alright, cool. So UAD, we're going to leave that. That trade's already played out. Let's move on to Euro JPY. Yeah, this was another trade as well. I was upset. Alright, so, yeah, I took this on a 1 hour candle. Yeah, 1 hour. We had this, look, break and retest off of that support level. That 1 hour support level. We had the break and retest. Trade, yeah, I was up 60 pips in profit. Probably should have really should have just took the profit. Obviously I was holding for it to play out down to this area here, which it did not. So yeah, Euro JPY, literally that played out and we didn't take that trade. So with Euro JPY, what's next? It's still in an uptrend. I really did thought this was going to turn around because we had a break out of this trend. We broke out of it, but it looked like prices is still in the strong uptrend. So let's look at on a 1 hour time frame. Can we see Euro JPY coming down? Wow, this don't look like it wants to come back down, if I'll be honest with you. Nah. So to get a trade, honestly, people, I'm not seeing much. Get rid of this. Cool. So actually, this looks like it's running out of steam. It'd be interesting to see how Euro EJ acts during the Asian session, and then wakes up to the London session. Those two next traded session would be quite interesting for EJ. I'm trying to look to see if I can get in a sell position on EJ. Me personally, this can actually do a head and shoulder pattern as well. So EJ can actually just come down, test this area, and then push out, and then we get a head and shoulder pattern like that as well, or with EJ as well. That's on the 4 hour time frame. So I just got a message from, sorry people, let me just, a lot of people message me on chat, sorry, apologies. What's that about? Alright, cool. So Jennifer Fulton, hey, I'm all good. How are you? You're good? Eljo112, yeah, I'm all good. How are you, man? How are you? Yeah? Jennifer Rolson, yeah, I'll give you a follow back on Twitter, 100%. Yeah, no problem. Once I finish stream, I'll give you a follow back. Let me know if you trade. Do you trade? What do you do? Let me know. So, alright, let's go back to EJ. Alright, so EJ. Yeah, alright, cool. With EJ, we're going to want price probably to touch in this area here and see how it reacts. Will we get a spike though? That's the thing. How did... Yeah, see? Honestly, I feel that EJ is going to really test this area at the 1.6164 area. I feel like it's going to make its way there. 100%. Yeah. Look how the monthly candlestick closed. This wants to go. Weekly. Yeah. 100%. You can see in the weekly, it's still in that parallel line as well. Alright, cool. So like I said, the next two sessions will be interesting. The Asian session, London session will be quite interesting for EJ. But for now, it's hard for me to even try getting a buy sell position on EJ. I do believe price is going to drop though, if I'll be honest with you. Or if it doesn't drop, it's probably going to test this area here. But if I honest you, if I'm looking at it now, it probably looks like it wants to drop now. Alright, cool. So let's move on to Euro USD. This trade, man, I'm upset. Three opportunities we had on Euro USD, and I didn't even take it. Like literally, we had the first touch. That was Wednesday. Thursday we had the second touch, and then Friday we had the third touch, and I still did not place a buy position on Euro USD. Literally, I did not buy it. I should have just put a buy limit on it as well. So that support level is very strong. That support level is holding on Euro USD. Look at it, holding nice. The only problem with Euro USD is that it is failing to break now this resistance level. It is literally struggling. When I say struggling, look at it, struggling to break that resistance level. Yeah? So you see it on a 1 hour time frame, it's struggling. So what I do think now for Euro USD, I think this is actually going to come back down. Literally, I think Euro USD, actually, let me just, 1 second people. On the monthly time frame. Yeah. Cool. Just on the weekly. Actually, you know what? Price can actually make its way up to. Actually, you know what? This price can actually way up to the 1.09 area, 100%. Daily time frame. Yeah, you know what? What is bullish and go for candlestick? Yeah. Actually, price actually might just push up. I'm looking at it on a 4 hour. Cool. So price breaks this. So price breaks above this level, then we're gonna look to buy. And I don't think it's a good position to buy from to hold a trade for a nice to get a nice return of pips. So if you do get a break above this resistance level, we're looking at around 10, 20, 30, probably around 40 pips max. For the way I trade, I like to look for the big moves. For instance, like you saw on EJ, that was 150 pips move. Those are the kind of trades I like to take, those big moves that I look out for. So for instance, if Euro USD was to come back down to the support level, then I'll look to buy from there. If I get a nice candlestick reversal pattern, we get 10, 20, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. So that's like a 50 pip move. That's the trades that I kind of like. At least, and it gives me anything from 40 to 100 pip, 100 from 40 to 100 pip move. Then those are the trades that I look for, literally. So let's move on to so just to round up Euro USD. There's not really much. Like I said, we gotta wait for how Asian session how it does for the Asian session and. Comes to London session opens, then probably look for any trade set up on Euro USD, GBP chef. Right, this is just trending up. This is not even stopping. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 weeks of trending up. We had a pullback for like 2 weeks and a shot for the next 5 weeks. It shot straight up. Wow, 1, 2, cool. It's literally broken. I didn't think it was gonna break that 1.11 area, and it has. So literally, the next stop for me, literally, look, it's actually stopping. It was actually here, and it has. Literally does that, and it's literally stopped there quite perfectly. If I'm being honest with you, that's actually stopped quite perfect. For now, for GBP chef, you can actually get a pull. It's quite in that GBP chef is at an interesting place actually. So now. If we do get a break above that resistance level, price is definitely going to shoot up to that 1.15 area. I'm sure price is going to, in the next few weeks, will make its way there if it breaks this resistance level. So if price breaks this level, I can see it shooting all the way to that right there. So, but also we can also look out for a reversal pattern. So. And I see price, what am I doing? Sorry people. I see price coming down here, making its way, and then shooting back up. Can we get that with GBP chef? So that would be a nice move if you can get that happening on GBP chef. So that's a setup on GBP chef. We should actually look out for the pullback, the break and retest of this resistant level, this support level. Wow, look at that. It's happened Monday. I don't trade Mondays though. That's a nice little move. Oh my gosh, a nice setup on Mondays. And this is why I get tempted to trade Monday. And this is the thing about when you're trading as well, you've got to beat the temptation. So look at that. See, this is a nice setup. Knowing if I took this normally, it will go against me. But that is a nice setup. That 20, 40. That's a nice little 40 pip move. And that trade would have been me. I would have liked that. So hopefully we can get a pullback back down to this 1.11 area. 118 area, and then we take it from there. Try to get in for a buy trade on GBP Chef. So GBP Chef is actually looking good for a trade setup. And also if we get a break off that resistant level, then yeah, I'm definitely looking to buy and hold this to the 1.155 area. That's going to be more like a swing trade. So I'll be holding that for quite a few weeks, I would say. I don't think that's going to get there. So continue. Let me just give, this would be a rough idea, I think. So how many weeks is that? The break. 1, 2, 3. That'll be like a month or so. That's a trade I can actually hold for a month. Cool. So that's GBP Chef, a nice setup on GBP Chef. GJ, oof. A monthly. That is broken, that major. Why is it? Oh, yeah, it already broke that major support level. Cool. It's not even coming back down to retest that major support level at all. Yeah, GJ, wow, it's broken that trend line, and we've got a retouch off of that broken trend line. This daily resistant level. I'll put a mark up our broken trend line. So about what I want price to do. Let's come back down. Wow. GJ is actually looking like a nice move. Actually, we can actually might get a nice 100. Oh, we can. Oh, so right, GJ is actually looking like a sell as well. With GJ, we can actually get a nice 150 pip move on this. So even if we was to sell now, it's a bit 39. That's a bit too aggressive to sell now. Can get 167 pips on EJ. But for me to sell EJ, I will need to see a bit more from price action. Wow. Because I don't trade Monday, I have to wake up. I will have to see what is this saying in the morning. Alright, cool. Alright, for me to trade EJ, I am trend line, put a counter trend line in. So I would want to break off that trend line, if I'll be honest with you. 100% to break off that counter trend line before I even look to sell on GJ. But I'm not going to lie to you. Right now, it's even looking good to sell right now. Obviously, market just closed, so swaps are right, they're high right now. Swaps are too high to even look to place a trade, but this looks like it's ready to do now. I'm really tempted to put a sell trade, a sell position on GJ. It's 10:30, it's impossible. Alright, cool. We're just gonna wait till in the morning actually look at GJ. Actually, I'm not even gonna rush into this. I'm gonna wait till Monday, Tuesday morning when London session opens, how GJ is. But yeah, as a trade setup on GJ, Let's move on to NZD/USD. So right, NZD/USD, right, my little friend. Alright, cool. Yeah, this did not go how I planned. This trade just done the complete opposite of what I expected to do. We had a break out of this range, and literally, I might well just get rid of it. That range is finished. That's finished. Also, this is finished. Let's clean this up, cause this needs a big cleanup. Cause NZD/USD is on something else. Literally, it's doing something completely different. Got the monthly. The bearish engulfing, shooting star, monthly time frame. This is good. Big signs that this wants to go down. Yeah, I'm convinced NZD/USD is probably trending all the way down. So I think this move is ready. Look, EMA is crossing over, staying underneath our 100 EMA. I will not be looking at any buy position on NZD. If you are, obviously going to be a pullback, but like I would say, be careful. So with this trade now, I think if we get the break below, then we're good to go. Get the break below this. So people, so if we get the break below that support level, then yeah, we can ride this all the way down. 10, 20. It's a nice couple moves. 20, 40, 60, yeah. So we definitely get over 100 pip move on NZD/USD if it breaks that support level. So with NZD/USD, we're just going to wait until it breaks that support level. But if price does decide to come back up, now we've got to look at the scenarios. If price was to come back up, what are the situation? What will be the situation? Remember, we've got non-farm payroll. So look, okay. You can see we had this resistant level before. Price broke it. Oh, that's bad. How I didn't see this move. Oh my gosh. That's me not paying attention. So price literally came back up and retested. Break and retest this resistant level. Oh gosh. Missed it. How did I not see this? When did this happen? Wednesday. Let's clear as light on a. Okay, so this happened on a Friday, yeah. Thursday morning. Missed it. Got it. Alright, cool. Yeah, we've missed that trade. That's gonna be my fault because I was more focused on that range the price was in. So I was just, yeah, that's what it was. Price was in that range. So remember we had that box, that empty box. So I was gonna break. We had that empty box. That's why I was not seeing that move. Literally, yeah. See, that's the bad thing about trading. You gotta be open to every scenario that what this market can do. And obviously, I was blinded by literally price just rejecting off this empty box, the support level, and I was expecting price to literally push back up, but not without me realizing price had retested this resistant level because it shoot all the way back down. So I did not even see that happening either. Alright, cool. So NZD/USD. So waiting game. So what we want with NZD/USD is price to break below the support level. We get price to touch, play about. Then we have the break. Not that much of a big break. Retest. Probably get in there and then ride it all the way down. If not, I think price will actually start to make its way back up here and then probably look to shoot back down. So that's like 3 scenarios I can see on NZD/USD. I see anything else? I actually see price playing back around that level as well though. Let's go on a 1 hour time frame. Yeah. Yeah. Cool. Alright, cool. So NZDUSD, we're just gonna keep our eyes on it. Okay. But one thing I have noticed actually, this has gone into a consolidation zone. So you can actually put empty bots on that as well. Literally just wait for the break. Yeah, that looks lovely. What I have noticed, price is literally playing in this area here. So I would wait for the break out of that box. Price does break above, then we look to buy. If it breaks below, then we look to sell. Lovely on NZDUSD, but I do believe price is going to break towards the downside though. It's looking like it's going to break towards the downside. So there was so much evidence on NZDUSD telling me that price was going towards the downside. I was not. To be fair, last week NZD wasn't really on my watch list that I was really paying attention to. But when I'm looking back at it now, like everything we retest, you look back at your Forex pairs that you look at the trades, you can see all the move that was happening. It was blinded, man. Bloody hell. Cool. Alright, so let's move on to USD CAD. Alright, cool. CAD is very interesting. CAD is literally still been trending up. Look at it on a monthly. Yeah. I see, honestly, if, like I said, if CAD breaks this 1.365 area, then yeah, it's going to looking to touch around the 1.39 area. So on a monthly, it's on course to do that. On a weekly, still on course to do that. Yeah. And on a daily, yeah, it's on course. Alright, cool. Alright, USD CAD, I'll probably step back. I literally would wait for the break of that area, of the 1.365 area. If we can get a break beyond that, then yeah, I'm looking to buy. But even now, if you're going to be aggressive, you can actually buy now if you're going to be an aggressive trader, but you're going to have a big stop loss. For me to actually buy it on USD, if I was going to buy on USD CAD, so no, 4 hour, look at all that. The price. Yeah, cool. As price does touch this support level, then I'm looking to buy it on USD CAD. For it's in line with the trend line. Fibonacci on this. Wow, in line with the 50% Fibonacci as well. Yeah, so cool. So if USD CAD come back down to the support level, then we are looking to place a buy trade on USD CAD. Cool. So that's it for the Forex pair. Let's look at gold. Wow, gold just shot up. Look at that. Had it all marked out. Oh my gosh. Wow, gold is literally. Wow, that's today. I wonder who caught that move. I bet a lot of people sold. 100%. Oh, this was Friday. I bet you a lot of people sold. I knew it. I said, do not sell it until it breaks this support level. I was not going to sell. Wow, look at gold. Gold's just always throwing an uptrend, man. Cool, let's move on to US 30. Alright, trend's actually playing out good. Look at that. Oh, come on, man. Happened at 8 o'clock. One thing I realised with US 30, it always drops like at the end of the New York session. Look at it in the evening. It always likes to drop. Look, Monday. Look at that. See, 9 o'clock it drops. I realise that. Cool. So let's just look at US 30. US 30. If price comes back down to that support level, then I'm definitely looking to buy on US 30. Alright, cool. So that we're gonna keep our eyes on US 30, 100%. I'm not even missing that trade this time. I missed this trade. I remember I had this marked out and I missed this. I was gutted. I'm not gonna miss this one, even though it looks like in a downtrend. But like I said, look at US 30 overall. What do you see with US 30 when you look at overly? It's just going up. There's no reason to actually to be trying to hold it for a sell. Unless you get those few patches here. Look, yeah. 2002 came down. Well, look, it's just going up. US 30 is just going up. So definitely price. Got 2 support levels we can buy it from. So if it does break that support level, that don't hold, then we've got to look at this level. But also, we'll also keep my eye. It's actually, dude, the 100 EMA is actually, oh my gosh. Since October 2003 in a 4-hour, it's been, look how it's been respecting that one. Yeah, cool. Alright, cool. So US 30, if it drops, then yeah, I'm looking to buy from that support level. Let's move on to NAS. I actually sold a NAS today. I hold it for that 4 minutes. Literally just getting used to trading these pairs. Yeah, NAS is shot down. Same thing for NAS. I actually would like NAS to actually. So we've got the break. I would like a break and retest around this level here. So if NAS has come down here, which actually would be good, I definitely will buy it and hold that. That would be a nice pit move for NAS. So yeah, if NAS comes down to that price level at 1,864, then yeah, we're gonna look to buy and hold that. But unfortunately, let's look at it on a weekly. NAS is at its all-time high as well, I'm sure. Is it? Yeah, it is. NAS is at its all-time high as well. So people, that brings it to the end of the stream. Let's just do a quick recap. We've got our eyes on literally quite a few pairs. So like I said, GPP Chef, what we want is price to come back down to this price level. This break and retest, if we can get that. Or if we don't get a break and retest, then we can get a break. No, sorry, no. Yeah, we'll look for another break retest at this level as well, beyond the daily resistant level. And then we would want price, ride price. Come on, what are you playing at? Don't play about with me. Then we would like price. All the way out there. Yep. That's a nice move actually. That's so at least 150 pip move for GP Chef. DJ, like I said, it's at a price where I feel like we can actually probably sell, but I'll wait till London session, probably look to sell on GJ. NZD USD. We've got this empty bot, so we're waiting for the breakout on NZD USD. So we get price break above or below. We look to take the trade, and then nothing on USD. Yeah, USD CAD's actually one. Why is it not a highlight? So if USD CAD, we actually got 4 set up, which is quite good. USD CAD come back down to this support level. USD come back down to our 1 hour support level. Then we look to place a buy position, but at the moment it don't look like it is. So that's if it does. But like I said before, watch back the stream. I do feel that price will get to this 1.365 area rather later than sooner. But it's still in line with our trend line, so Yeah, that's still going good. Gold at its all-time high. Nothing to say about that really. That US 30 will look for price to drop back down to the support level, see if it's going to hold. And if it does hold, then yeah, we can get a nice move on US 30, catch a few pips on US 30. And then the same thing for Nasdaq. If you can get price to retest this support level, we can test this support level, then yeah, we're going to look to go hold that and get a nice few pip move off of that. So people, that's the end of the stream. Thanks for watching. Don't forget, listen, join the Telegram group if you want to see all the trades that I get into. I update every day in the Telegram group. I'm very active. Join it while it's free, because once I lock it, I'm just going to lock it. Once I've got a certain amount of subscribers in there, I'm only going to work with 50 to around 100. I'm still depending on the cap at 50 or 100, but literally I'm going to be around, I haven't decided yet, but I am going to cap it. And only certain my trades will be exclusive to those who have already joined for free. And subscribe to the YouTube channel. I see you on Wednesday. I'll be uploading the video on my YouTube channel at 1 p.m. GMT London time. Remember, trade smart, and I'll see you again.